Hello everyone. So it's that time of the month again where Alberta has announced its latest processing numbers. Alberta has announced its latest processing number for 27th of August on today, 29th of August. So we will go and start looking into the updates. So this is the official processing number page where it has declared its update as on 27th of August. Let's look at the details and I will again take you through to the whiteboard that I had created for this purpose. So if you have seen this video earlier, last update was on 13th of August. Next update is today on the latest update is on 27th of August, and these are the latest processing numbers. What you would see here is that let's go by stream. So just a very quick recap. These are the streams that we follow on this particular channel: Alberta Opportunity Stream, Dedicated Healthcare Pathway, Priority Sector, Accelerated Tech Pathway, Law Enforcement Pathway, Rural Renewal Stream, and Tourism and Hospitality Stream. These are the pathways that we follow under the workers stream of Alberta PNP. Okay, if you want to join this channel, these are the QR codes for that. And we will start looking into the processing numbers. So 27th of August 2025, the latest status is that for Alberta Opportunity Stream, the number of certificates remaining is 726. So it's almost a fall of 90 certificates from the last update. So they have issued 90 more certificates. So this is the change, and one big change that I'm seeing, that the processing time has now almost jumped 2 months. So from December 24 to February 25, that's a big jump. Like 2 months. Like earlier we were seeing like a few days or hardly a month kind of a jump, but this is a big jump, 2 months, and we are now towards the end of February 2025. Dedicated Healthcare Pathway, 180 certificates remaining, and here also we see a 1 month jump, which is expected. Like Dedicated Healthcare Pathway has been making good moves recently, and in fact this is the most latest stream as of now. So today is 29th of August, and you can see that we are already on 11th of August with 180 certificates remaining out of the total 500 allocated. Priority Sector, 83 certificates remaining, and this is also in February 25. This has moved by, I would say, 11 days, right? 11 or 12 days, but it's a move in the right direction. Accelerated Tech Pathway, 20 certificates remaining only, and this is in March of 2025. Law Enforcement Pathway has a very low number. We are not going into that. Rural Renewal Stream. Rural Renewal Stream has 324 certificates remaining, and this stream is still in 2024. In fact, early 2024, or the first half, almost the first half of 2024. So if anybody is waiting on Rural Renewal Stream, their wait can be prolonged. They have 324 certificates remaining, which means they have issued almost 40 certificates from last time, but I don't see much progress on the dates here. So that's something worrying for those people on Rural Renewal Stream. Tourism and Hospitality Stream is right now 59 certificates remaining, and this is still in December 2024. I'm surprised, to be very honest. This particular stream in the last almost 3-4 months hasn't moved much. Only few days have moved, whereas the number of allocations is pretty high. Like it's in fact more than the Accelerated Tech Pathway. It has more allocations remaining than the Tech Pathway, and it was a belief that this would move a bit faster, but this is still in 2024. So as a summary, if you see, all of the major streams are in 2025, and the rural renewable stream and tourism and hospitality stream still remains in 2024. This particular stream, the tourism and hospitality stream, should move soon to 2025, but going by the progress, it can take few more months. I would say towards the end of the year, let's see what the numbers look like towards the end. Okay, now we will look into the latest draw details, but like before that, the QR codes once again, if you guys want to join and take the conversation forward on WhatsApp. Okay, let's now look into the draw information. So what's the pool size? Pool size is like 65,000 people right now in the pool, with almost like more than 50%, 60%, yeah, more like somewhere between 60 and 65% in the Alberta opportunity stream. That's like into 5 digits. And then the next bigger draw is the tourism and hospitality pool, and then the rural renewal pool is also high. Okay, let's look into the latest draw. So after our last update, one more draw happened on 19th of August. It was for the express entry stream under the law enforcement pathway. Score was very less, and so was the number of invitations. And as I said, law enforcement pathway doesn't have much numbers anyways. Like they have 9 space remaining out of the 20 allocated for the year. So it's quite possible that Alberta might have some requirements in the law enforcement pathway, and did a very smallish draw for August of 2025. So we are almost towards the end of August. I am not expecting any more draw to happen in August. In August, there's already 4 draws has happened in August. Going by July had a lot more draws. June had quite a few draws. So August looks like, well, is having a lean period right now with only 4 draws. But I think as we move towards the end of the year, this is expected that the number of draws can dry out, partly because the certificates, as we see here, right, the number of certificates remaining is also falling. So as these falls, number of invitations will go down. Okay, so this was the latest update on the processing numbers for Alberta PNP. If you guys have any questions, do reach out on the comments on the WhatsApp group. This is the WhatsApp group for you guys if you want to join, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much.